In this video we will be showing you how to install your tactical mount. Upon unboxing you will have your mount, your frame mount clips and frame protection strips. To complete the installation you will need some scissors and a 5mm hex key. First up we are going to take the bolts from the frame mount clips and set them aside. Then we are going to slot the frame mount clips into your tactical mount, ensuring that the protection strips are underneath the clips, and repeat for the second clip. Before installing the tactical mount, it's best practice to put your lock into the mount and measure it up to your frame. See where it could sit and decide where on your frame you will place it. This could be beneath the top tube, on the seat tube, or even the down tube. The tactical mount can fit a wide variety of frame designs and frame profiles. The minimum frame circumference that the tactical mount can fit is 75mm, while the maximum frame circumference that the tactical mount can fit is 200mm. Once you've decided where the placement of your tactical mount will be, the next step is to cut the frame protection strips to size. To do this, we've spun the bike around in the stand to get a better look at what we're cutting. Ensure you don't cut them too short. If you need to, cut them a little bit longer. Once both protective strips are cut to the correct length, ensuring they cover the frame entirely not to damage the paintwork on your bike, we are going to reinsert the straps through the frame mount clips and insert the hex bolts and tighten the straps using the 5mm hex key. Once tight, thread the excess strap through the strap keepers. Finally, slide your light lock through the centre hole at 90 degrees, secure the body and lock it. Twist it into position. Now your light lock is secured in the tactical mount and ready to ride.